Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom wallet to your Bitget wallet. So first thing you need to do is open up your Phantom wallet and then you have to click on this Solana option from the home page of your app. Now if you have some Solana in your account, it will be displayed here. But if you don't have any Solana, you first need to purchase some Solana in your Phantom wallet. So once you have some Solana, you need to tap on it and then you just have to click on this send button from this screen, and then you just have to paste the wallet address from your Bitget in this two section. So just open up your Bitget wallet and then click on this wallet icon at the bottom of your screen. Then from this screen click on deposit, and from this window you have to click on receive, and then for in this search bar you have to search for the Solana, and then simply select the Solana from search results, and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your address, and then go back to your Phantom wallet and paste the wallet address in this two section, and then click on next. After that, just enter the amount how much you want to transfer and then click on send. And once you do that, your Solana will be transferred from Phantom to your Bitget. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.